Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll make a quick overview about the eMedia-CS software. It won't take long and it's recommended for any new user that joins us. So on your computer, when you will launch eMedia-CS, either from the desktop shortcut like me or by double-clicking on an existing template, you will arrive here. Here is the operating mode. Our global philosophy is that once the card is designed, you just only need to input raw data and print it. Everything else becomes useless. So the operating mode just displays you the strict necessary. You have on your left the preview of your card, this is a blank one, and on your right the input windows where you will be able to interact with. Now let's talk about the design mode. The design mode can be accessed by View Design Mode or by double-clicking on the shortcut just here. It is important that you know in design mode you can't print, but everything is here at your disposal to create and customize your own template. A card is made by a bunch of objects. Objects are defined by categories on your left windows by the toolbox. You have text object, pictures object, barcode, QR code, everything you need to create a card. Each object you will put on your card will have a properties. So that brings us to the right windows. The right windows is the property windows. It's important that you know you have the hand of everything. The type of border you want, the opacity, the color, the background. Do I want my text to be a title or rather be changed at each card? Do I want my photo to be my company logo or my employee's photos? Everything. To show you all that, let's just make a quick example of a basic ID card. An ID card will need obviously a picture. So I click picture object, a picture object appears on my card. I just drag it and drop it where I need it. Okay, the picture by default will be changeable. So that means if you want to have your company logo, you have to go on the right side of properties and select fixed image. Fixed image means that whenever how much card you print, it will still be the same picture. You won't have any interaction with it in operating. So here I'll stay in pictures. An ID card we obviously need a text box for first name. First name I want to be user input. I don't want it to be fixed. So user input. Another text box for last name. Same thing, I want it to be user input. And let's say I want to have a title on the top of my card. So this one would be fixed data, so I don't change it. I will make it a little bit bigger. I want to change the font in bold. And the data in this object will be ID card. I also want the text to be centered. Okay, so now let's switch back to operating mode and see what have changed. You can see that the card has already been updated. And on the right side of the input windows, you can interact with 3 objects. My card has 4, so that means the title ID card is fixed. It won't change. So for example, let's say De Bière, David. So that's me. You can see the data have already been updated on the card. And for the picture, I want to select an image on disk. Let's say this one. So if I print this card, it will print it as I see it. So this will be that for this first video. Of course, we'll speak about more advanced features than just a basic card. But for right now, thank you for watching.